I can't believe I made this huge platter. Alright, you guys, this is what I made. We're gonna dig in, guys. My gosh. Cucumbers. Actually, here. Cucumbers. Okay, here. Wait. Oh my goodness. I made the rice a little bit lighter this time. Let's just try it. Mmm. Mmm. This is my pepper I made yesterday with the steak. Mmm. Cucumber. Mm-mm. Oh my God. I need to slow down. It's so good. I'm going fast. Right on? No, I'm eating fast. That's how good it is. How come you're not sitting down?
Khao, what if I want more?
Well, there's one here.